This is just going to be a quick overview of iReport, and I'll also show you how to create your first class. The first thing you're going to want to do is download from your school district site a CSV file of your class consisting of just 2 columns, last name and first name. CSV files are just simplified versions of Excel files. You can see a quick tutorial on how to download these rosters from MyEd or Employee Connect if you happen to use one of those systems. Under Setup, and then you scroll down and you can see these 2 videos here. They're real quick just to show you how to get those files, and they should look like this. I'll give you an example. In CSV files folder, you can see an example initial roster. If I open it, you'll see a simple CSV file, first column, last name, second column, first names. And that's what iReport's going to need in order to create your class list. Here we're going to create a new class list using that initial roster. So I'll open and I select the block, block C, for example. Okay, and then there's my file. That's going to be my class roster for the iReport. And from here, iReport has 2 modes, report card mode and intern mode. In report card mode, it allows you to insert marks, and this is the important column, the comment codes that you're going to create. I show you how to do that in another video. And for example, M1, M4, and we're using semicolons to separate it. Those are 3 comments there for Sylvester the cat, and you do that for all your kits. And then what you can do is file and generate report card comments. It'll create all your comments for your entire class in one document, and you can find that in the comments folder. And then you can quickly copy and paste that into your system, whatever system you're using for report cards. And intern mode allows you to, you're going to insert proficiency scores, like any number between 1 to 4. You can use also 0.5ers, like 2.5. And this column's for effort, NSG, or you can put comments in here. It's up to you how you want to do that for the effort. And then here, the marks are also optional. And that will create interns that it'll put inside this folder. And if you're, right now on block C, it'll create a folder called block C. And then inside that block C folder, you'll have all your interns for all your kids. And interns are going to look something like this. If you use my template, you can also, I show you another video where you can alter this. I talk about how you can alter this template and make it look like your own. And that's it. Thanks for listening.